Have you ever turned your nose up at getting a second-hand laptop? Give me a minute of your time and I will change your mind. Hello, I'm Ollie from the service desk at The Sensor, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a refurbished laptop that we've received. This laptop is a Dell Latitude 7410. It's got an i5 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes SSD. It's ready to go with Windows 11 Pro. So with this laptop, you're going to get a 2-year warranty, and the laptop has been fully refurbished. Any parts that needed to be replaced have been replaced. It's been fully quality tested. And the only real difference here is that you're going to be paying less money for this laptop rather than if you bought a brand new one. And with a refurbished laptop, it allows it to stay in circulation for longer, which helps your corporate responsibility for sustainability. Let's take a look. Here's the charger. Love this, very protective. Oh, here's the laptop. It's got that lovely new smell. It's a nice matte effect. As you can see, you've got your screen protector. It looks brand new. The screen's pristine. The corners, perfect. There's absolutely nothing here that would indicate that this is a refurbished laptop. I'm just going to turn it on. It's going to give us the out-of-box experience. This product has been professionally dismantled and all components inside of the device have been cleaned, including the outside of the device. As you can see, it is completely spotless. During reassembly, any parts that have been requested to be added to this device have been included. Before this gets shipped out to us, every part of the device has been rigorously tested, and that's from its USB ports all the way through to the processors. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing with me, Ollie. Hopefully you'll see that getting a refurbished laptop is a really good idea for your organization, whether that's money saving or helping your organization reach its sustainability goals.